Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi rolls without a bamboo mat. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 sheet of nori, about 1 cup of perfectly seasoned sushi rice, and your chosen fillings like cucumber or avocado. Next, prepare your rolling surface. A clean cutting board covered with a large piece of plastic wrap works perfectly, ensuring an easy, non-stick experience for your homemade sushi adventure. Now let's begin building our roll. Lay 1 sheet of nori, with the shiny side facing down, directly onto your plastic wrap. This orientation helps the roll stick together better. Next, moisten your hands with a little water. This is a crucial step to prevent the sticky sushi rice from adhering to your fingers. Gently spread about 1 cup of prepared sushi rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori sheet, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. With your rice in place, it's time for the delicious fillings. Arrange your desired ingredients, such as thinly sliced fish or vegetables, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Now for the rolling. Using the plastic wrap as your guide, carefully lift the edge closest to you. Begin to roll the nori and rice forward, applying gentle, even pressure. This helps to create a tight, well-formed roll, ensuring everything stays perfectly in place. Keep rolling until your sushi forms a firm, cylindrical shape. Once fully rolled, gently press down to seal the edge. To slice your masterpiece, moisten a very sharp knife with water before each cut. This prevents the rice from sticking and ensures clean slices. Carefully cut the roll into 8 equal, bite-sized pieces. Serve your freshly made sushi rolls immediately with soy sauce and wasabi, and enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.